Mulengwe entle senyama se na le mokgwa wa ho rejecta ntho eo. Now Dr. November tla ba tsamaya a ilo re tlosa senyama a re tlosa bad luck so that ha re kena ho 2026 re kene re le batho ba batjha. Now tshebeletso e teng he family yaka viewers at home re kena laboraro ka 6 o'clock ha re tleng this time tsamela bophelo ba hao tjintja bophelo ba hao because chance ko re bana beso if you don't stand up for your life wa bona 2025 ilisitse batho jwang people ba ne ba lla ka di finances batho ba lla ka hore manyalo a bona ho mo ferefere matlong ba lwana le di mesebetsing ba lwana le di boss ba lwana le. Now if you don't stand up for your life o sa emele ho fixa bophelo ba hao 2026 ntse tlo tshwana le 2025 ha da fapana dina le kgodi tse 12 dina le matsatsi a tshwana. Now ha re emeng rona to change us for selemo se tlang ha re kopaneng ka laboraro family yaka.
Yeah, no, but guys, thank you so much. Number tsa rona tse o le ka re letsang go tsona ke
078 398 3446 ke kopa o di pheta for any information or clarity o ka e hlokang o di number tse o di fonelang ke tsena na hetsa 078 398 3446 tse ding ke 079 083 3833 le tsona ke kopa ho di pheta ke 079 083 3833 o ka phone he wa botsa any question hore na ho sebetsa hala jwa then re tla o fa information
tsaka
okay tsa hao Dr. November ke 073 202 9079 ke 073 202 9079
yeah ntho ha ke tsebe ntho kae dati ha ke tsebe ntho o favor ha ke tsebe ntho number yani ya runa ya Pretoria ya ntho WhatsApp number ya runa WhatsApp group ya Pretoria actually ne tshwantse le feo that no na tshwantse gahle no tshwantse re feo na WhatsApp number ya runa ya Pretoria so that re kinye mona so that batho ba Pretoria ba tsebe rena le number ya runa for batho ba Pretoria tsana wa re kitla ke le Pretoria
yeah
ke qala something ka Pretoria ka mama so ka January I will be starting something so batho bohle ba batlang ho ba party ya ntho re qalang ka Pretoria please guys jwale ke tsebe number e kae a ke tsebe ma gahle le yena ha isala a sa dule ka tluntshe la sa kena di live ke le bona batho ba pretend guys thank you so much re tla lokisa o favor
we apologize but re tla fana ka yona
yeah we guys thank you so much nna ntwa ka o qetela hape o favor some le bo tenjwe le bo manka fela bo mane bo mo yengwe it is the generational curse
so
ka o qetela generational curse ba bang ba lona bo di sebo le mamela ba bang ba lona it is the generational curse ba bang ba lona satano le kwatetse re wa ibile bitire ba bang ba lona lilela surprise satana la ba bitire la tswa ka ra poverty ya lona la ba le dikoloi la ba le mesebetsi bitire la ba le now satano angry now that is why a Christian system e bitire roke o tswile poverty ya bona o tswile o ruteile o feta bona ha bona o bitire o feta batho ba ha bona so tlo ke tlise limitation tlo ke ske ka dumela ho tle motho ya tlatlang ba yetsa ho ba ya somewhere ka bophelo
yeah
now that is why guys when una le motho a teng bophelong bao hona le batho bao e seng batho fela mare batho bao ke di provision ya ntate modimo modimo ha tlisa batho ba bang maphelong a rona ha ba tlise le batho fela batho modimo o ba tlisa it is the provision. And when you fail that person, you have failed your provision. You faithfully plan your entertainment. Thank you so much, guys. Are kopane ngosane ka
7 o'clock. Kila bobedi mosane. Crossover la boraro.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, tla kopana le nna ka osane.
Ka osane ka 7 o'clock o teng tshebeletso e teng. Ke yane he ya entate moruta rutang ka success.
Yeah, osane ka 7 o'clock. But guys, before someone, is there anyone who can support? I mean, ya ka confirm on entate moruta November. Hona le motho e nkileng ka ba le yena. And since you lose that person, can it also go into a right back? Is there anyone who can say that? Is there anyone yakaba just honest? Aka fananka testimony yaore. Why it's even to be on yaore. Kamura uluze motho itseng until today also be right. Kapa, you have lost somebody and out to how old? Kema yaka ipakantweni I request the just to tusa batho ba bang who can testify to you. Yaka re fambu pa ki boy one friend. Refer your experience friend. Just to tusa basadi ba bang. Just to tusa basadi.
So that ntende temgute I buang re khono I understand, but I think it will be more powerful ha motho a ka ikena ba fitla a re nna Dr. November e nketsa halletsi.
Yeah. Kema yaka khona guys. I want fair. Aga ipaka ngore ntate moruti. Ke a tseba ntwe. Ya hore ke ne ke na le motho yo e leng le tlhololofatso yes ke nna mara
Tebo ka Facebook ba mseletso my ex fiance
ke kopa ke ene
o ka Facebook Tebo
o ka Facebook
ka Facebook
are fiance ya
yes are my ex fiance
Nthabise are ke nna mara o na nyetse
yo yeah ne yeah
no ka se bika nyetseng ka
yeah ka se
because Leonel tshwantse re bua ka yo ore ba bang ba lona maphelo my late husband my late husband Nomi okene Nomi re teng buela o dimo Nomi
okay ke a utlwahala
okay
ya ntho buang ka yona ke nnete ne ke nna le molekane actually I think wa se ba story sa ka ke la o qoqela hore motho a ntshetsa mahadi ka mora mahadi ya ba like dintho a di sa kopana but ha ne ke qala kopana le yena ntho ngwe le ngwe ya ka e la tsamaya hantle ka thola mosebetsi business ya ka e tsamaya hantle like ke sa ho sena ntho ke sa falang but ilare ha qeta o tlo phelong ba ka a njikela vele from nowhere a jika a vele like wa fela ansile le ngwana but le business le yona ska hlela sa tsamaya hantle contract ya fela ya ska renew ene ba tlamehile ba renew
okay no really bua ga itse diaka wo no I think ona le motho a ithutile
yeah ona le motho a ithutile today. Thank you so much.
Thank you Nomi.
Okay, Miss T are ke tsaba ho
thank you Nomi. Thank you
Mrs T are ke tsaba ho request cause habi o teng ka tlo ke nyetswe mare e sale ke gawana le ex ya ka 2014 ha
Come on, someone who loses who gawana ha highly ex
who mo loses
sure it's my ex girlfriend guys when it's again ke mo idering
ha ke nana ha re phete
it's me my
ex girlfriend
guys ke man fela ka re jwetsang hore what happened since o arwane le motho wa ba ba be di fela
Hello, user.
User. I heard someone else.
That's a man that I'm
User shows good second
network, yeah.
Yeah. No, guys, thank you so much. That to me, my blessing. Ratla kopana sokomelang but bao that to me my film bona. There's a scripture in it. Nna ke batla stop all. Hona le batho ba bohlokwa es Bible ya ka ke ntshitse ka mo o ka kgona go google
ke google ka pa ke re scripture
a ke so po mo ntho mo namane a reng ntho a re go Jacob Laban a reng name the amount of money you e batlang.
Okay.
Hore ke ske ka o lokolla ska tsamaya. Name the amount of money. Hore net o ske wa tsamaya ke go ba ke le first scripture se next di last. Guys. Mo na money anare please mplele amount. I chose to work on myself for 2 years. Wow, Mr. President. Wow. 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 Ona mo ja go wana o batla tsamaya ntho na mane ba ntho laba na ba no name the amount
of money. That's a session is closer.
I was thinking ka wana no. Na ke tsi searcha mo hle bana. Ke maka searcha mo Jacob an Labane anane mplelo batla bokai ko patala. Ke Genesis exact wa ke Genesis man. When Jacob ana batla ho tsamaya Labane sa batla Jacob a tsamaya. Searcha hle bana ke bo mamba kana mo Google. Genesis 30 verse 31. Oh. Verse. Ke maka mpalanyo. Ona le nke batla le fa yona e powerful.
Genesis 30.
Verse 28. Okay, it got 28. Thank you, Mr. Lebone. Ko put wena sa kana di life in tsaka.
Genesis 8
verse 28.
28.
Thank you, Mr. Lebone. Thank you.
Name your wages.
Aibale.
Okay. Eri 27. Kinana re kale ho 27. Laban said to him, "Let me say this. I have learned by divination that the Lord has blessed me because of you."
Imamele. Ipite silike.
Laban said to him, "Let me say this. I have learned by divination that the Lord has blessed me because of you. Name your wages."
The Lord has blessed me because of you. Name what?
Your wages. And I will pay them.
I will pay
them. Jacob answered.
Ke kopa re ba le ka translation engwe. Mama Azra e re yengwe.
Ke batla go botsa a ka tshwara translation moruti. I wanted to ask something based on what you were saying.
Ne ke batla scripture sena. Le se bale le se utlore. If Labane o re ho Jacob boteng ba hao bophelong ba ka bo entse change modimo o mblessitse ka baka la hao ka baka la boteng bao e ba Leslie ke tlo utlwa
27. Please listen to me. Laban replied, I have become wealthy, for the Lord has blessed me because of you.
Utlwa Laban wa reko o realize boteng ba Jacobo. O realize and hurry o admire lo admit lo appreciate boteng ba Jacobo bophelong ba hae. Ha qetile re I've realized since o le teng mona modimo mphetsitse.
Tell me how much I owe you.
Sheba, I feel out. I want to pay. I want to reward this man. Guys, hona le batho. When you can lose that person, you have lost everything.
Come on.
You have lost. Baba, guys. What's man tong we guys? Din tshwantse tsa rona tsa hore ibe dia rena le high expectation. Rena le di Baba Babatu, Ototolor, he's not rich.
Come on, Tate Muruti.
He is not wealthy. But the presence here high, it can change everything with Pilomba. When not because you have this person on a limufuta wow. Wabatu baho baka rakelelo. Ubo forsa na libo Jacobo ba mudima batlisem bo Pilomba. Jacobo. It's not just the person mutani ki Jacobo. Jacobo ha tla bophilong ba hae, bophilong ba Labane, o tlile a jerele honor. Yes, that time Jacobo had nothing. When Jacob fihla Harane, Halabane, he had nothing. But the only thing in Jacob, it was the favor that was upon his life. And that favor, our life, it tended to be a better life.
Now,
the problem here, Masadi le bana li di class bana li di le ko force na le batho ba ilembo Jacob mapilong a lona because we are the only person ya metara wena ke motho ya nang le tšhelete. The only motho person ya metara wena ke motho ya o rekela di rose ke motho ya etsang hona le batho ba ke magona o etsa dintho tseno but the presence ya hae motho can change your life, can make your life easy, can open doors for you boteng ba hae. When Jacob fihla Harane, Jacob na sena niks it hona le poor but the favor ya modimo ena ditse di ma bophelo ba hae.
Tate Muruti man. Yo.
What's a mama?
No, I went through that, Murutine. It was my previous relationship when I met this guy. Like, like 50 years. That's when I decided to date an older person. The guy who was 50 years, the one who was 18. So, the guy I get like him date Morotine, Nikisa Sheba, like Kisa Sheba Chalete, Kisa Sheba anything, Kishabi Loroitsky. Okay, he's an older guy, he's more matured than me, Utlan Swara Hantle, and Kimona Ali down to earth. Waba, I didn't look coronally in. And then I realized he was struggling a lot, but then I couldn't care less. But then I couldn't care less because at that point, peace.
But I
understand that the question.
I be honest, guys. Ki bile le monna kapa ki bile le boyfriend ka mora hore ki arwane le yena ho etsa hetsi eng. You know why? Ke batla re thuse batho guys ka dintho tse ka bo honest. That is why every time na ki ruta mo ki sebedisa di experience tsa ka it's just that no ha ke mosadi if le ke le mosadi ne ke gona sebedisa tsa ka di experience but re a le bua mme.
Okay, Moruti.
Thank you,
No.
Miss Kat.
Thank you.
Na ke totile guys. Ke le file scripture. Sadi last. What's my message? Bye. Ke le file
Viewers at
scripture.
home, bye. Yo, today, yo, thank you, Dr. Moruti. Thank you so much.
Ona le batho sa tsona le ba
Yo.
underestimate.
Yeah. And
Bo
Dr.
runa,
Moruti, we
bo runa
understand.
so we don't have the chat tsana tsone di batlang kapa tsone le gale di fuwa batho. Runa, we cannot do dintho tsene gale le di fuwa kapa le di etso ke batho ba bang. Mar make no mistake, ona le batho ba jereng, ona le batho ba jereng favor ya ntate modimo. And Laban, we na gona bona re this man, there's a favor ya ntate modimo di mo phela ba motho. So bothata ba lona banna. Lona basadi, the choices tsa lona.
Yeah, re shapua ke the kind of choices we make in Dr. Moruti. And the choices tse re di etsang, they are based on the expectation. We've got very high expectations, and now because the expectations are not the high there, the choices are not the qetella di se right.
Yeah, can it? Re bolawa ke the expectation. Bye. We love you.